Jai Hind friends, you are welcome at my YouTube channel Anvom Chemistry Classes, and we are going to discuss about three rearrangement of the topic aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. And these rearrangements are von Richter rearrangement, Somlet-Hausser rearrangement, and Smythe's rearrangement. This is my sixth and last lecture of this particular topic. So let us start from von Richter rearrangement. So first is von Richter rearrangement. In this arrangement, when aromatic nitro compounds are treated with cyanide ion, the nitro group is displaced and a carbonyl group enters ortho to the displaced group. This reaction is known as von Richter rearrangement. So this is our substrate, and in product we have a carboxylic group ortho to the nitro. So overall this nitro group eliminate and this carboxylic group introduced during this reaction. This reaction is an example of Sine substitution, okay, because the incoming group get attached at the ortho position to the nitro group. The presence of electron withdrawing group Z at ortho or para position to the nitro group enhance the formation of product. So here in this case Z, that is electron withdrawing group, is present at para position to the nitro. So let us see mechanism of this reaction. So in the first step, cyanide attack at the ortho position to the nitro group. Cyanide is a nucleophile, so it will attack at that center where electron density is less as compared to the other centers. So here nitro is electron withdrawing, this Z is also an electron withdrawing group. So perhaps this nitro is more electron withdrawing as compared to this Z. So cyanide will attack at either of the ortho position and get attached to the ortho position. Shifting of electrons take place as per the sequence given here. So this intermediate species is formed, and this species get aromatic character by the elimination of one H plus. It again form the aromatic ring. In the next step, that is third step, the oxygen atom with its negative charge or its electron pair attack at the carbon of cyanide. This carbon is, we can say, it is an electrophilic center. So here at this carbon, this internal nucleophilic attack take place. So after this attack, the electron of this C n bond shifted towards the nitrogen acquire negative charge, and in the next step the shifting of nitrogen oxygen bond take place between carbon oxygen, and we will get this amide, or this nitroso is at the ortho position to the this amide. This step take place in the presence of an acid. So in the next step, this nitrogen of amide attack at the nitrogen of nitroso group, and one bond between two nitrogens is formed. This step is an important step of this mechanism, okay. So during when we discuss the evidences in support of this mechanism, we will also consider the formation of nitrogen as a strong evidence in support of this mechanism. So the bond between nitrogen take place during this step. Okay, in the next step the nitrogen get eliminated and we get a carb anion. The last step H plus get attached to the carbanion and we get our main product. So this is the overall mechanism of von Richter rearrangement. Let us now discuss about the evidences in support of this reaction. So first is the formation of nitrogen molecule. As we know that before the start of this reaction there was only one nitrogen in our substrate and second nitrogen is introduced at the ortho position to this nitro group. So these two nitrogens were not attached to each other. So during this mechanism the bond between nitrogen formed and this nitrogen molecule get eliminated. It is an evidence in support of this reaction. Number 2, here this A is a stable compound which has been prepared independently. Further, it gives the von Richter product when subjected to the condition of the reaction. So this A is formed during the reaction and it is stable. So when we introduce the reaction conditions, it will form the main product. Number 3, when the reaction was performed in labeled water with cyanide, then half of the product formed have labeled oxygen. It shows that one of the oxygen of the carboxylic group came from nitro and one from the H2O solvent. So this also confirms this particular mechanism. Okay, so this is the first rearrangement. Number 2 is Somlet-Hausser rearrangement. What is this Somlet-Hausser rearrangement? When benzylic quaternary ammonium salt, this is benzylic quaternary ammonium salt, are treated with alkali metals, this is sodamide, then it undergo 2,3 sigma-tropic rearrangement and it gives ortho-substituted benzylic tertiary amines. So this is our substrate and in the presence of sodamide it get convert into ortho substituted benzylic tertiary amine. So it is tertiary amine. Mechanism of this reaction. So in the first step, as you know that in the presence of a base, carbanion is formed. So this base will attack at the acidic hydrogen and this hydrogen is more acidic as compared to the others. So here one carbanion get generated. This particular intermediate is less reactive, so intramolecular acid base reaction take place. One hydrogen shifted from any one of this methyl group to this carbanion and this methyl group get converted into the negatively charged species, and this negatively charged species will attack as a nucleophile at the ortho position to this CS2. So after the attachment between these two, one bond is formed between the ring carbon and this CS2, and in the last step aromatization of this ring take place and we will get the ortho substituted 3-degree amine or tertiary amine. So this is the mechanism of Somlet-Hausser reaction. It is simple as compared to the Richter rearrangement. Examples of this reaction are: number 1, here this group will shift to here. Okay, so it is understood that the product, in the product here we have CS2 plus this phenyl and CS2 and CS3 whole twice. Here in this case, okay, sorry, there is some mistake in this substrate. Here when CS2 unit is also present, so this CH will attack at this ortho position. Okay, during the second step, intramolecular acid base reaction take place. So this, the CS2 present here is more acidic as compared to the other hydrogens present on these two methyl groups. So carbanion will get generated here at this particular position, and we will get this product. Next, third reaction, it is also a very good example of Somlet-Hausser reaction. So here any one of these two will get converted into carbanion, and this carbanion will attack at this position. So after this attack, this bond will get dissociate. So after this dissociation, we will get a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 membered ring. So this is our product. And last one is also a good example of Somlet-Hausser reaction. Okay, next and last rearrangement of this series is Smiles rearrangement. This reaction actually comprises a group of rearrangement that follow the pattern given below. So here we have this particular group attached to this ring, and in the presence of a base, one negatively charged species get generated. This will attack at this particular position. We can say it is ipso attack. This nucleophile will attack, nucleophilic attack at this ipso position, and after the completion of reaction, this Y get attached the ring carbon, and we will get this particular product. Here is the mechanism of this reaction. So in the first step, base abstract this hydrogen and one negatively charged species get generated. It will attack here. The shifting of electron take place as per the sequence given here, and one cyclohexadienyl anion is formed during this reaction. This cyclohexadienyl anion get stabilized due to the presence of these two electron withdrawing group Z and Z dash, and in the last step, this H plus get attached to this X. So here it is XH. It is a mistake. It is intramolecular nucleophilic substitution. X will be either S or SO or SO2 or O, or it is C double O, and YH is equal to OH or NH2 or SH or NHR. So these may be the values of X and YH. Examples. So this one is the example. This is an example of Smiles rearrangement. So here in this case, base will attack at this hydrogen. It is more acidic as compared to the other hydrogens present on the benzene ring. So we will get this particular oxy anion. This oxy anion will attack at this particular position, and after this we will get the final product. So Z and Z dash are electron withdrawing groups that stabilize the cyclohexadienyl anion. So here we have one another some advanced Smiles rearrangement, that is known as Trues-Smiles rearrangement. If YH is equal to CS3 and base used is phenyl lithium, then this reaction is known as Trues-Smiles rearrangement. So example of this Trues-Smiles rearrangement are as follows. So here I have the corrected products. Actually the bond will be formed between the oxygen and this particular carbon. Here in this case bond will be formed between nitrogen and this carbon. This is the ipso carbon. Okay, the carbon at which this S was actually attached before the completion of this reaction. So these are the correct products of this reaction. Thank you very much for patience listening. You are most welcome to share your feedback and suggestions regarding this video, as your suggestions and feedback will help me to improve my knowledge regarding this topic. So please share your suggestions, and I also request you to follow me on my YouTube channel Anvom Chemistry Classes, as well as on my Telegram channel t.me/anvomchem. Thank you very much.